Hi, I'm Nathan Elliott, an instructor for Bethel University's Classroom Management Program. This video will provide a quick tip that can be implemented in the classroom to make management even more effective. The tip is called Look Where You Point. And what we're going to think about first is, how does making eye contact compare to looking at the thing that we want students to look at? So, when the teacher has something visually displayed for the class to look at and tries to point at it while maintaining eye contact, what happens is it's really hard for the audience to look where the teacher is pointing because the audience wants to maintain eye contact with the teacher. That pattern holds true for students as well, where students want to maintain eye contact with the teacher. And so the longer the teacher looks at the students, the more the students are going to look back at the teacher instead of looking at where the teacher wants them to look. So instead, if the teacher looks where they're pointing, then the students find it easier to transition their eyes to where the teacher's pointing. So the pattern is that the students will follow the teacher's eyes. That pattern holds true for something that's displayed on the board. It also holds true if there's a student out in the audience that the teacher wants the class to look at. If the teacher looks toward that student, it's likely that the rest of the class's eyes will follow the teacher's eyes there as well. So here's a quick example from my class where if I'm looking at the paper, it's much easier for the class to have their eyes on the paper as well. So give this a try the next time you have something visually displayed on the board. Go ahead and prepare it ahead of time, then ask the class to look at it 2 times. The first time, ask them to look while maintaining eye contact and see how hard it is for them to look at what's on the board. The second time, ask the class to look while also pointing at the same time. Hopefully you found this tip to be helpful. If you want to find out more tips like this, you can apply for Bethel's Classroom Management Program on our website.